The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 are likely to arrive later this year. Samsung's foldable phone plans don't end with those two high-end handsets. A new report claims the phone maker is planning on cheaper options as well, as it looks to expand its dominance in the foldable phones market. The report from Korea's ET News claims that Samsung wants to develop foldables that drop some of the premium features found on the Fold and Flip models in favor of a lower price tag. Samsung is reportedly targeting foldable devices with a price tag that's under $1 million. That would be less than $800, and as Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 3 is currently the cheapest foldable phone available at $999. But that still places the phone among high-end smartphones like the iPhone 13 Pro and Samsung's own Galaxy S22 Plus. While Samsung currently dominates the best foldable phones market, it does so only with very expensive devices. That's contrary to the strategy that has helped Samsung rise to the top of the overall smartphone market. It offers the Galaxy S flagships, but there are less expensive Samsung phones as well. In fact, as the ET News article notes, Samsung's mid-range Galaxy of phones outsell the Galaxy S flagships, and so Samsung reportedly wants to make the equivalent of the Galaxy A lineup for the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip. A series phones such as this year's Galaxy A53 offer less powerful processors and scaled-back camera hardware, so that they can go on sale for hundreds of dollars less than the phone maker's flagships. The A53 costs $449, for example, which is a $350 discount from the Galaxy S22. The ET News report is in line with previous comments Samsung has made about expanding its foldable phone lineup. At the start of 2021, Samsung Electronics President T.M. Rowe outlined the company's goals for its phone business, which included expanding its presence in foldable phones. To that end, Rowe said Samsung wanted to make foldables that were more accessible to a wider audience, which many people took to mean more affordable. Please share this video and make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell, otherwise you may not receive notification when I upload. See you in the next video. Peace out.